SD 1.5 is not dead, but this is the future. When we launched the 3-minute node, our focus was clear: pro-level results with maximum efficiency. This commitment led us to build our core curriculum around Stable Diffusion 1.5. The reasons are strategic and practical. SD 1.5 is affordable and efficient on hardware like the RTX 2080 or 3080. Its vast community of low-rank adaptions and control nets is unmatched. And the ComfyUI fundamentals you master here are perfectly transferable to any advanced model. But a true professional recognizes the limits of their tools. 1.5 struggles with complex text, detailed body anatomy, and the absolute edge of photorealism. The 3-minute node is committed to constant innovation. This new cutting-edge series is where we move beyond SD 1.5 and put the world's most advanced, high-fidelity models to the ultimate test. Baseline testing. To ensure a fair test, we are running all comparisons on a freshly downloaded, most recent ComfyUI portable install. No custom nodes, no hidden tweaks. We always recommend starting here, using the official ComfyUI workflows, as they are guaranteed to work, provide a solid baseline, and are perfectly reproducible on your machine. To benchmark the next generation, we tested 3 top contenders: Flux2, Qwen Image, and Z-Image Turbo. First, Flux2. Released in late November 2025 by Black Forest Labs, Flux2 is an industrial-grade behemoth, boasting a massive 32 billion parameter architecture. We can confirm in this official ComfyUI workflow that it uses the Flux2 safe tensors. The incredible quality comes at an immense computational cost. Our initial generation took 167.8 seconds. Flux2 is the state-of-the-art for fidelity, but its massive size makes it a non-starter for high-speed production. Next, Qwen Image. Released in August 2025 by Alibaba's Tongyi Laboratory. This is a 20 billion parameter model built on the MMDI-T architecture. Its size gives it exceptional prompt and text comprehension, and it's significantly faster than Flux2, clocking in at 65.04 seconds for the first image. However, over a minute for a single image is still a major time investment. The lesson here is clear: uncontrolled scale kills efficiency. These massive models deliver quality, but their generation times create a serious bottleneck for any professional workflow. This brings us to the latest breakthrough: Z-Image Turbo, also from Alibaba's Tongyi Laboratory, released in late November 2025. Z-Image Turbo is the strategic evolution of this research, a model specifically engineered to solve the speed and efficiency problems of Qwen and Flux2. It's built on a distilled, optimized 6 billion parameter S3-DI-T, the scalable single-stream diffusion transformer, allowing it to achieve phenomenal quality in just 8 inference steps. The genius is in the hybrid, efficient architecture, which is revealed directly in the ComfyUI workflow. For superior prompt handling, Z-Image Turbo's workflow reuses the Qwen text encoder, Qwen 3.4b safe tensors, inheriting Qwen's advanced language understanding. For maximum decoding efficiency, the VAE used is AE safe tensors, a highly optimized VAE often derived from the original Flux architecture, borrowing the best speed component from the open-source community. Z-Image Turbo is a fusion of the best available technology designed to bypass the resource crisis. The result is a model that delivers stunning realism and next-generation text rendering at a speed that is truly revolutionary: 23 seconds for the first image, dropping to 7 seconds for subsequent generations. This is the new benchmark for professional-grade, high-speed image generation, and it's the new standard for the cutting-edge series. Just a quick note on performance. The benchmark times you see, 7 seconds for Z-Image Turbo, and the comparison speeds for Flux2 and Qwen were generated on our RTX 5080 with 64 GB of system RAM. If you have comparable or better hardware, you can certainly expect similar lightning-fast results. However, if you are working with less powerful hardware, don't worry. We're here to help you get amazing images regardless of your GPU. We still offer and cover fundamental workflows for optimized Stable Diffusion and Stable Diffusion XL, which can still deliver incredible quality while being more accessible for a wider range of systems. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.